Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I am going to show you how you can redeem or receive digital codes on your Amazon account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel and you are watching us for the first time, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, because we promise to bring you more awesome content and videos like this one on our channel. And without any further ado, let us get started. So the first thing we want to do is simply make sure that we have actually downloaded and installed the Amazon shopping application on our device. If you have not yet downloaded the application, what you want to do is open the Play Store. In the search box, you want to go ahead and type in Amazon. Once you type in Amazon, you can see the first application which comes up is called Amazon Shopping. You want to simply go ahead and install as well as download the application to your device. In my case, I have already downloaded the application. So once you have downloaded, simply open the application, and once you open the application, another thing you want to make sure is that you are actually logged into your account. Because if you are not logged into your account, you will not be able to redeem the digital code of your products. So as you can see, I was already logged in, so it didn't ask me for any credentials. And this is how the home interface of the Amazon shopping application looks like. So here, in order to redeem our digital code, what we want to do is at the bottom of the screen, you want to click on the profile icon. When you click on profile icon, you can see at the top of the screen we have been given multiple options such as your orders, buy again, your account, and your list. So what we want to do is we want to simply tap on the third option which says your account. Once you go to your account, you can see several settings are actually going to open up. Now here, what we want to look for is the option called product vouchers. As you can see here, under the payment section option, we have been given the last option which is called product vouchers. So what we want to do is simply tap on product vouchers at the last option. Once you tap on product vouchers, you can see it will take us to our voucher page where it says that currently we don't have any product voucher or digital code. So in order to redeem another product voucher, we need to enter the digital code which we received from the card. So in order to do that, you want to simply tap on this button right over here which says redeem another product voucher. Once you tap on redeem another product voucher, you can see that it is asking us to redeem a product voucher or a claim code. You can also read the below information such as frequently asked questions, using an Amazon product voucher, determining eligible items for purchase, as well as managing product voucher balance and orders containing eligible and non-eligible items. At the above section, you can also see that the entire voucher amount will be stored in your account and it never expires. Once you redeem, your voucher balance can't be transferred to other account. So you need to understand that once you enter your digital code and then redeem the voucher, balance will be topped up in your account and you will not be able to transfer it to other accounts. At the same time, the balance or the amount which you receive from the digital code never be expired. So what you want to do is, in this box you see right here, you simply want to enter the digital code or the promo code which you received. Once you enter your claim code, you want to make sure that you have typed in all the letters, numbers, as well as keys and symbols properly, because even if there is a single or tiny mistake, you will not be able to redeem your Amazon code or your digital code. Assuming that you have already entered your code in the box, you want to go ahead and tap on add to your Amazon account. And once you tap on add to your Amazon account, your digital code will be successfully redeemed on your Amazon account. So in this way, you can really easily learn how to redeem your digital code or your promo code on your Amazon shopping application. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, then simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. We try to be responsive to each comment as possible, and as always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in our next video.